I picked up these tables months and miles apart from each other. One is laminate and the other is wood with a cherry finish. The wood table needed a lot of work, including some drawer repairs that were a little more than I bargained for. But in the end, I made the repairs and I was pretty proud of myself. I primed them both with regular primer from Home Depot because I accidentally kicked over my clear primer from Country Chic, which is what I really like to use. So sad. I'm a stickler for prep, especially with laminate, and I did a whole video on laminate prep that I will link in the description box. Can you tell which is which? I decided these tables needed to be a sleek black, so I painted with my favorite eco-friendly chalk style paint, Country Chic, in their licorice color. I like to use my 4-inch roller to paint on flat surfaces, and then I go in with the hand brush. I did 2 coats of licorice on both tables. I didn't even finish a whole pint of paint for both tables, which I think is amazing. That is one of the many reasons I love hand painting, even though it's more time intensive. I use a lot less paint with hand brushing, which is great for my bottom line. After painting is top coat time, and I like to add a little bit of paint to my top coat to reduce brush strokes. The link to all our favorite eco-friendly painting products are in the description and on our blog, so check them out. Seriously, you can do this too. Remember our previously forgettable side tables? Well, look at them now. Nobody's gonna forget them. I love how smooth and sleek they look. I love the top coat. It's great for protection and it just gives everything such a polished look. They're going to look amazing in a family room or a living room or just about anywhere. And I added some amazing liners to the drawers to give them an extra pizzazz from a favorite shop in Etsy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all the things. I'll see you next time for another eco-friendly refinishing job.